So what we seen is so up to now we seen outlook of the credit note. Now we'll see how to do the accounting. Okay, this is for complete. Tick here the help center not there. I think we have to complete and review. So once complete only, this will get completed. Okay, right. Now is action. So you have this one, duplicate. Post to ledger, accounting and draft, UV accounting, adjustment or balance sheet. So what is manage adjustment? It is adjusting there. Review the distribution, duplicate. We'll see what is duplicate. It's a copy of the invoice we seen in the see copy of invoice what we seen in the 11 and R12. Okay, right. Okay, complete and close. I have clicked here. See, transaction number is generated 89765. That is our thing. It is 6489767 is there. 765 is not there. Okay, see this. Yeah, it is our thing. Original transaction. Now we can go for complete and review. Oh, that is a copied invoice. Already we have applied it. We can also delete it if it's not accounted. Delete. Or issuer want to delete. Credit memo, do you want to compute? I'm giving no. If it is not accounted, you can delete it. Okay. Okay. So we have done a credit memo. Okay. Now we'll check for the. Mm, we are in billing only. Approve adjustment. For approve adjustment, you should have a limit created. Okay. So for that, you have to create for other user. They can create for you. You cannot create your own limit. Manage recurring bill part to create a customer. Upload review customer. What is upload from spreadsheet? There should be a format like web ADI. Download template. So you can download a template, fill it easy. See, I downloaded it. So now what is this? It's an overview. Okay. So here they given the sample what we have to fill and how it should be, and they given everything. Okay. So now we are going to America sales show system. They are giving. Okay, let it be customer number. Customer phone number.